Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor Magic 4 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on an Android. From here you need to choose Send on Honor and Receive on Android smartphone. Then click on all of those type of dots on your Honor and click on Send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Maybe that one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android you need to choose No thanks or Yes I agree. I will go with No though and close this window. Then we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at this QR code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on Receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!